This is called the Sachi Hoko Secret Box made by Karakuri Creations Group, and limited quantities lang yung ginagawa nila per year, no? The term Sachi Hoko, it's a Japanese folklore creature kung saan yung katawan nito, usually it's half fish, and then yung ulo niya, it's either a lion, a tiger, or in this case, para siyang dragon, di ba? Ngayon, kaya ito familiar kasi usually, ito yung mga creature na makikita nyo sa bubong ng mga traditional Japanese houses, no? Rather, in particular to the Nagoya region. No? So, paano natin hanapin at buksan yung hidden compartment rather? No? So, first, we need to lay down the secret box sa flat surface tulad na to. Next, we need to tilt the head yung creature hanggang sa may mag-click na tunog. No? So, tulad na to. Pag may tumunog na, pwede na nating i-push down yung head, push out, then bitaw, then push back in, and do this multiple times. So, ayan. And then for the final time, push out, and then mapaghihiwalay mo na yung body. So, we need to lay flat yung katawan niya. And dito sa top part na to, may makikita kang parang solid block. But the secret here is, it's actually two pieces yan. And we need to push it all the way out para ma-unlock natin yung secret compartment. Yun lang.